Hi, welcome to this video. Today we're going to guide you through how to use VLOOKUP in Excel for beginners. VLOOKUP searches for a specific value in the first column of a table and returns a corresponding value in the same row. The formula is basically equal VLOOKUP, parentheses, lookup underscore value, right? Table array, call underscore index underscore num, and the range lookup here, range underscore lookup, and of course close the parentheses. Now we're gonna break down each one, right? Lookup value is the item you are searching for. For example, typing a product ID in a cell, in cell A1, right? Or the word apple. Table array is the range of cells containing your data. Your lookup value must be in the very first column of this range. You have also the call index num. This is the number of the column that holds the data you want to retrieve. The first column in your table is 1, the second is 2, and so on. Lastly, the range lookup. You could type false or 0 for an exact match. You could type true for an approximate match. Almost all beginners should use false, right? Or type false. Now, say you have a list of employee names in column A, right? Here, and their salaries in column B. To find John's salary in cell D1, we're gonna click the cell where you want the result to appear. Let's say cell D2, right? And type the following formula here, right? VLOOKUP or equals VLOOKUP, parentheses, John, right? A ratio or A and B ratio, okay? To the call index num, right? And lastly, you gotta type false instead. And press enter. Pro tip, instead of typing John, it is much better practice to type a cell like C2 so you can type different names into C2 to get instant update. Your formula will look like this. VLOOKUP, C2, A and B, the table array, right? The number 2, and the range lookup should be false, right? And don't forget to lock your data. When dragging a formula down the list, use absolute references like the $ on your table range to stop the data from shifting. For example, A1 to B, or A, type it here, $1 double dot B, right? $100, right? And basically that's it. Consider liking this video, subscribe, it really helps with the channel. Till next time, see you.